Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Canva account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create your link in bio with Canva? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a link in bio with Canva anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business using social media, you know that some platforms only allow one link in your bio. So by having a link in bio, you can have various links to various products, affiliate offers, or to other social media, affiliate links, or other offers that you might have. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Canva account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Canva account, and this is the home screen. It's going to show all of your recent designs. Now, in order to create a link in bio with Canva, what you're going to do is here on the search bar, go ahead and just type in link in bio. All right. So once you do that, it's going to pull up all of the Canva templates that people have used or created for link in bio. So here on the right, you want to go ahead and click on see all. All right. So you can see there's quite a few and some really good link in bios here. So what you want to do is kind of scroll through and then see which one applies to you. So this is actually free with the free plan on Canva. However, some of these are premium templates. So you can see this one's pro that has a little crown next to it. So if it doesn't have the crown, then it's going to be a free template to use. And you can go ahead and filter these out by clicking on all filters here on the top. And then here on the left, just scroll all the way down and you can click on free and apply. So as you can see, all of these link in bios are now free to create. So just go ahead and just choose one that kind of aligns with your brand. So let's see, this one looks kind of cool. I kind of like that one. This one looks kind of nice also. It looks a little confusing though for me. I kind of want something a little bit more simple. Okay, so here's one right here. I kind of like the color scheme on this. So we're going to go ahead and choose this one. All right, so once you do that, you want to go ahead and click on customize this template. All right, so here we are, guys. So this is our link in bio. So now we can go ahead and just start making changes to this, and it's pretty easy. It's just like setting up a Facebook page. So for example, right here, if we hover over this person's name, Olivia Wilson, we can go ahead and just double click in there. And then let me go ahead and change that out. I'll just change it to my name. And then she's a UGC creator. I am not. So I'll just click in there and then I can just go ahead and maybe type in YouTuber. All right. And then that's her picture. So I'm going to go ahead and replace her picture on this link in bio. So all you're going to do is go ahead and just click on the image of the picture like we've done here. And there's no way to replace the image for some reason on Canva's link in bio. So what you do is go over here to uploads and then you can choose a photo. So if you don't have the right photo in here, you can go ahead and upload a photo directly from your computer. Once you've uploaded it, it's going to show up here where you can see I have these two photos. And then in order to replace her with your photo, all you do is just drag your photo on over her, and you can see it replaces and it automatically sizes it inside that form and you just drop it right in. And then we can also go ahead and change the background colors if you want. So if you scroll here or right here, you're going to see the color variation up here on this little bar. And with link in bios, the most important part is going to be the links. So right here, we can go ahead and click here, and it's for the latest post, but maybe I want to go ahead and have a link to my YouTube channel. So maybe I'll go ahead and change the word to YouTube channel. Okay. And then we want to change the link. So we're going to go ahead and just click on the box or the button and then click on these three dots and then just scroll down until you see link right here. And then you're going to click on link. And here you can go ahead and add in your YouTube link. So let me grab mine. Okay. Here's my YouTube link and I'll go back here and then just paste it right in. Okay. Now I'm going to paste it in. All right. So now you can see there's a line under it. So now that link has been created. And then we're going to go ahead and click on this one and I'm going to click on ungroup and then I'll click on more. And then you would just go ahead and scroll down and then add another link. So my storefront, maybe you have a online store. You can go ahead and put that link here. Or if it's not an online store, you can go ahead and just change the wording like we did up above. So we can go ahead and maybe add in an affiliate link here and then right below, check my portfolio. I kind of like that. So I'm going to click ungroup and ungroup this one. Follow me on socials. I'm going to go ahead and change that. Maybe sign up for my email, and that way I can go ahead and route it to my email capture form. Okay. And then this last button, I guess we don't really need that. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete it. So you just hover over it and then delete. Same thing right here. I don't really need my @ so I'll go ahead and delete that. And let me go ahead and delete this little shadow. Okay. So that looks pretty good. I'm going to move myself over. Now, if later on you want to go ahead and add extra elements, you can do that. Just click on here, elements, and then you can go ahead and just scroll through and then see, maybe you want this little cocktail drink right here. You can go ahead and add that in. You can see it's kind of big, so we can go ahead and just resize things. All right. So I'll drag that cocktail right on over there, or maybe I'll put it up here by my picture. As you can see, it's kind of like setting up a Facebook page. So it's pretty easy. All right. So that looks pretty good for my link in bio that we created with Canva. So you're not done until you click on this button here on the top. All right. So here we got share. But before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and name this as my link in bio. So make money, Anthony, link in bio. Okay. And we're going to click on share. All right. Now right here is the public view link. All right. Create link with watermark. Okay. So here is our link in bio right here. So we'll copy that. Okay. And let me show you what it's going to look like. Okay. It looks like it came up as a video for some reason. So let me go back here. Okay. I'm going to click on share. Okay. And then what we're going to do instead is we're going to click on website. Right now we're going to convert to website. Okay. Now we're going to click on publish website. Okay. So here is our link in bio link right here. So you see it's kind of long. It says landing page now, guys. Let's go ahead and edit that a little bit. Okay. So let me go ahead and change that hearts and kicks to something random. Okay. So now this is what our link is going to be right here. This is our link in bio. So that's the free version. So as you can see, it's kind of branded as Canva. If you want to buy a domain to use as your link in bio, you can do that right here. Just click on get a new domain and you can go ahead and buy a domain. You can see they're charging $19 per year. If you do that, it's going to be a lot more professional, but that's up to you if you're willing to invest that with your social media. Let me close this down. But for today, we'll just use the free version. So publish website and publish website. Okay, now it's processing. Okay, now you can see your link right here. So you can use this as a link in bio. If you copy this and now you can hoist this into a browser. Okay, so here it was a video for some reason. And now we just click right there and now it's a link in bio. So you can post this on your social media and that way when they click on this link, this is going to pop up and they can go to your various offers directly from your social media. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a link in bio for free in your Canva, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.